What is special about wisteria? Wisteria, especially sinensis, very hardly and fast growing. It can grow in fairly poor quality soils and prefers fertile, moist, well drained soil. It thrives in full sun. Wisterias have complete flowers that contain both the male and female flower plants. Wisteria frutescens, commonly called American wisteria, is a twinning deciduous woody vine that grow to 40 or more. Ornamental perennial vine in the legume family with lavender colored clusters of pea-like flowers. Other name of Japanese wisteria. Wisteria floribunda include common names Fuji, Noda, Fuji, Chinese wisteria, scientific names Cronhia floribunda, Rexonia floribunda, Glycine floribunda. Due to wisteria toxicity and potentially harmful effects, it is advisable to wear long sleeves and gloves when handling or pruning wisteria. A normal dose of wisteria poison or demons could hinder their abilities like regeneration movement, suppressing their extrasensory perception as well as weakening their blood demon art. Wisteria also symbolize love and romance because of the association of wisteria with wisdom and longevity. The color wisteria also represents the best kind of romance, the kind that lasts. The size, toxicity, strength of wines, management concerns, and potential to invade make the wisteria wine a proverb known in the garden. Plant the native variety to minimize but not eliminate problems with invasiveness as even the American spices in the high maintenance and poses a poison risk. All wisteria are scented. Some varieties release a musky fragrance while others exude a sweet scent. Their fragrance range from faint to strong to almost overpowering. Most of cultivars of Wisteria floribunda, Wisteria sinensis, and Wisteria brachybotres are noted for their delicious scent. Wisteria fruits are velvety brown seed pods 4 to 6 inches, 10 to 15 cm long, narrow toward the base with constrictions in the pods that separate the seeds. Each pod contains 1 to 8 flat, round brown seeds, each 0.5 to 1 inches, 1 to 2.5 cm in diameter 21. Plants live an average of 50 years but can survive most longer. Of the Japanese variety, Wisterias floribunda are 150-year-old living specimen can be found in the Ashikaga Flower Park, the Tikogi, Japan, which some longevity. The plant is said to symbolize long life and immortality. Wisteria, known as Fuji in Japanese, may only the country's second most famous flower, but thanks to their flexible branches, they can be turned into large tunnels dripping with blue, pink, purple, and white flowers strolling through the kaleidoscopic spectacle is magical for visitors. Wisteria is a highly floriferous, producing numerous blooms, woody vine that bloom in mid-spring and will grow to 10 to 25 feet depending on the support it is given. They are legumes, member of the Fabaceae family. So now they are not at the same plant. They are two very different plants. All parts of the wisteria plants are considered toxic, especially the pods and seeds. Although serious poisonings are not common, exposures to as few as two seeds have been known to result in serious effects. Symptoms include oral burning, stomach pain, diarrhea, and vomiting.